like particularly to say hello to the staff of Armon Shipyards. I've been touring around this morning with the people of the yard and seeing how high their level of professionalism is in also dealing with questions that we have in the ship, but also how they organize their logistics and how they respond to our sometimes science-only requirements and how to fit that into something that is useful in the ship. And I'd really appreciate the openness of those discussions. We thought it was a good opportunity to highlight the fact that we have a new research vessel in the European fleet, and I'm very pleased that many of you came to this. So with that, I'd like to thank again the people from Armon, in particularly Santiago Martin, Jaime Pais, and Alexandra Satago. I thank you very much.